Hi guys, good evening. Today, March 28, 2025. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Uh, all OFW, we support you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. God bless you. I'm from Kuwait, Tatay Digong. Sana po good health ka lagi dyan. Sana makauwi ka po ng maaga. We pray for you always, Tatay Digong. You're the best president in the Philippines. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. We always support for you, all OFW. I'm here to support you, Tatay Digong. Thank you for your holding the Philippines before you're a president. You're the best president in the Philippines before. Wala pong nakagawa ng mabuti kundi ikaw lang ang naging isang presidente sa Pilipinas na naging maayos nung ikaw ay isang presidente. God bless you, Tatay Digong, and happy birthday to you. God bless. Bye bye.